Hello, my name is Unni. I am the general manager for the Pizza Hut and Move and Pick business in Nigeria, which is a part of the Skyline group of companies. The division Skyline International Tourism and Hospitality. We are a sister concern of Skyline University, and I'm really proud to be here for my first interaction with some of the level 100 students. I'd like to thank Vice Chancellor Dr. Ajit for inviting me for this talk. We had a 1-hour interactive session with the students. First of all, I'd like to thank the students and the faculty for the introduction, the warm welcome, and ensuring that I was comfortable as I came in. My interaction with the students were rich. I was able to exchange ideas, my learnings with the team, and they were very receptive.
In the right profession, it's not. I, for one, hospitality, I don't want to go there. I find Nigeria much.
Skyline University offers quality education and higher education with different disciplines, including science, medicine, law, and for those who in Nigeria want to build a career, I think you should look at Skyline University as an option to pursue your higher education. We need talent of Nigeria to have the right skill set to join the workforce. I work in the hospitality industry, and I know how valuable good education can be in terms of driving results. So if you are looking at pursuing a career, do look at all the courses that are on avail at Skyline University.
You are looking for 3 things. 1, passion. So the first thing that I look at is the person passionate?
The students that I met are bright youngsters, and I can see that as they complete their graduation, they have a lot to offer to society and the workplaces that they choose to. Skyline University has always been a fond memory for me. I've been interacting with Skyline University since the time I came to Nigeria, and I'm glad to interact with students for the first time. I just wish the students the very best, and I'm glad for this opportunity to have this interaction with them.